Here's really old stuff. Yeah, if you want more CDs or just information, I send them out for free. This is Dean right, your email. I send out all my CDs for free. I've got like 5 of them, but that's just the most recent ones. Ivy! And this is my dog, Ivy. What's up, baby? What's up? Oh. Yeah. She's the best dog I ever had. Well, that's my pick. And that's Christina, my fiance. Hi. Alright. I haven't played this in forever, so I don't know how it's going to go. But I used to like it a lot. Maybe you can't have kids, but you can have me. I'm small, but I won't hate you when I reach my teens. And now I'm young and overwhelmed with hospital bills. I've had some visitors, but I'm sick still. And fuck family, I only want to see friends. So crawl into the sheets of my hospital bed. And I never had faith in doctors or gods, so take me home. I've had too many shots. Grass is wet, crawl into blankets, wrapped as tight as your skin. I can feel your skeleton. Now remember you're made of more than color and shape, but there's a heart in that cage. Constant tempo change, it doesn't only exist because I thought of it. You're a physical thing, still there when I look away. I will disappear.